Well, there's nothing like some frozen water to get dogs excited to go outside and play. Porter in Colorado Springs having fun in the snow. KOAA definitely has the zoomies with this fresh snowfall. So dogs, they love to run around in the snow, but as soon as you put them in a nice warm tub of water, they just think it's the worst thing that could ever happen. Reminder to keep your pets inside or make sure they have a shelter tonight because it's not only cold, it's wet. We have this heavy wet snow falling and we've had 10 inches so far in Pueblo, 15.3 in Colorado Springs. That's as of 5 p.m. That's our storm total so far, but it's still snowing outside. So we'll have those final numbers by tomorrow when this snow finally ends. In La Junta, it has been a heavy wet snow and tree branches are starting to fall. So this is a hazard that we're going to continue to watch tonight because tree branches can fall, but also you could see damage to power lines under this heavy wet snow. So power outages are also possible. In La Junta tonight, you can see that deep snow. It's going to be tough to be out driving. I would recommend staying home tonight. We're still seeing dumping snowfall in Canyon City tonight. Some of these trees are sagging with that heavy wet snow, so maybe go outside, shake off those branches if they're starting to droop. And if you do see power outages tonight, make sure you're keeping your home insulated. Close blinds, curtains, and doors. Stuff towels under any cracks under doors and wear several layers of warm clothing. And remember to eat and drink and keep that energy up in your body. So our snowstorm has been with us since election night. It took a path from the Four Corners over Albuquerque and now it's moving up into southeastern Colorado. So this is that classic Albuquerque low that gives us a ton of snowfall in southern Colorado. And the snow continues tonight. It's coming in out of the east, moving up the slope of the higher terrain, and that enhances our snow rates. So in terms of when the snow is going to end, it will first start in the mountains from 3 to 5 a.m. The snow will come to a close 5 to 6 for Trinidad and Pueblo, Colorado Springs. You'll finally see the snow ending by 7 to 8 a.m. tomorrow, 7 to 9 for the southeastern plains and Monument 9 to 11. So let's watch that happen. We are likely to see those heavy bands of snow continue tonight, but watch as we begin to see a breakup in this snow from west and from the south. And finally, the Denver Metro will start to see the sky clear by late tomorrow morning as well. So we're kicking this storm out of here. Until it leaves, we are going to still see a couple more inches of snowfall. So these are expected additional totals tonight through Saturday at 5 a.m. So we've got the heavy snow tonight that leads to poor road conditions. So early tomorrow morning, plan for snow-packed or icy roads, but then once the storm ends and the sun starts to peek out, the roads are going to melt and we will have much better travel conditions by tomorrow afternoon. Tonight we'll drop to the teens and 20s, and tomorrow, our highs will rise to the upper 30s to low 40s, so we're thawing out and the meltdown begins this weekend. We have a high of 54 on Sunday, 50s for early next week, and it should be a much calmer pattern next week, which will be much needed after this long week of snow. In Pueblo, we're clearing out. We're seeing 40s by tomorrow, and we stay in the 40s or 50s through the rest of the weekend and into next week with generally calm conditions expected. Canyon City clearing out tomorrow, mid-40s for your high tomorrow, 50s by Sunday. We stay in the 50s for most of next week. And finally for Woodland Park, 40s for the weekend. We see that snow melting, but keep in mind that we will see refreezing in the overnight hours.